Can you find the length of BC? Pause the video and try in 3, 2, 1. So hello guys and welcome to my channel Mr.π, and today we are trying to solve the question I found on Instagram on the channel named Josh Math. And this question is quite interesting because you may think that you must use geometry alone, but no, you must use trigonometry too. So let's begin. So what we have here is a right angle triangle in which a line is drawn from the right angle to the hypotenuse. So what we are given is here the two sides AB and AD are equal, and again DB and DC is equal, which is 3 units. Then we can say that ABD, okay, we can write triangle ABD and triangle DBC. So DBC is isosceles or are isosceles, and we know the reason because the two sides are equal, so they are isosceles. So we know the rule of isosceles, that the base angles are equal. So assuming that this is theta, then the other angle will also be a theta. And now this is a right angle triangle, the total is 90 degree, and we have a theta here already, so the remaining angle will be 90 degree minus theta. Similarly, this two triangle is also a isosceles triangle, so the other angle opposite to it will also be 90 degree minus theta. Now what we can write here is that angle A, angle B and angle C has a sum of 180 degree, but we have a 90 here, so automatically the remaining angle, which is angle A, will be 90 degree minus theta. We can write like that: angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. We have angle A, we will find the value of angle A, angle B is 90 degree, and finally the value of C is theta, which we have probably done an assumption. So 90 degree angle A is equal to, we'll subtract it, so we'll get 90 degree minus theta. Now adding this all angles, we will get 180 degree, that is 390 degree minus theta is equal to 180 degree, that is 360. Okay, so 90 degree minus theta is equal to 60 degree, then finally theta is equal to 30 degree. So we finally got the value of theta. Now we can use trigonometry. So for it, let's draw a perpendicular here, just for the sake of the formula. Now we have to find the value of BC. Now assuming BC to be x, the half part will be x by 2 and the other half will be x by 2. Now if you are thinking how is this equal, then we have a theorem that the line drawn from the vertex to the base of a isosceles triangle is bisecting the base, so we'll have it half, so it is x by 2 and it is x by 2. Now we have a base here and we have a hypotenuse, so the relation between base and hypotenuse is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So what is the value of theta? It is 30 degrees, so cos 30 degree is equal to base. We have a base to be x by 2, and finally we have the hypotenuse of 3. So cos 30, the value of cos 30 is sin 60 root 3 by 2. So, okay, so root 3 by 2 equals to x by 2 3 is 6. Okay, so will have 6 root 3 by 2 equals to x, and 2 3 is 6. So finally, therefore x equals to 3 root 3. Hence the value of BC is 3 root 3 units. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries below, then do comment down, and do let me know whether I must solve other questions from Josh Math, because they are quite interesting. Thank you.